If you're having clicking and popping, it could be the muscle that occupies space through here, called your supraspinatus, and it can be an issue. So if your shoulder mechanics are bad, your passageway through here is small due to how it's built, or a bone spur or something like that, that's something we can work on in the office. It may be simple exercises, working on shoulder mechanics, spine mechanics, looking at shoulder position. So maybe we should retrain the rotator cuff muscles, how to stabilize that shoulder, and we improve how it's functioning, and that clicking, popping pain goes away. So if you have it, that's not normal. That's something we can work on in the office. And again, it may all be to this little bitty passageway in here. So let me know if we can help you.